Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by locating the loose points around the number plate and testing by hand for movement. Look at every fastener and check whether the plate wiggles side to side or front to back. Measure screw threads and identify whether M5 or M6 hardware is installed to match replacements. Inspect the mounting surface for cracked plastic, bent bracket, or missing padding under the plate. Note which parts contact metal or paint, and write down what hardware and padding you will need. Select hardware that matches the thread size you measured, typically M5 stainless screws or M6 in some vehicles. Add rubber washers around 3, 5 mm thick to isolate the plate from metal and reduce vibration contact. Apply closed-cell foam tape about 1/4 inch thick behind the plate where it contacts the bumper. Choose nylon lock nuts or a medium-strength thread locker to keep screws secure against vibration. Keep a small screwdriver, socket, and trimming knife handy for precise fitting and cutting of padding. Begin installation by placing rubber washers and foam tape at every contact point behind the plate. Refit the plate and hand start M5 or M6 screws to avoid cross-threading, then tighten until snug but do not over-tighten. Apply nylon lock nuts or a medium thread locker to prevent screws from loosening under vibration. Confirm the plate does not touch painted surfaces directly and trim excess tape if necessary. Test drive roughly 1 mile over typical surfaces and recheck fasteners. You should.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.